Window replacement is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your Kendall home. Whether you're looking to enhance energy efficiency, improve your home's appearance, or replace old, worn-out windows, affordable options are available without compromising quality. Here's what Kendall residents need to know about affordable window replacement to make the best decision for their homes and budgets. The benefits of window replacement. Replacing your windows is a worthwhile investment that can bring numerous benefits, including improved energy efficiency. Modern windows reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in Kendall's warm climate and lowering your energy bills. Enhanced comfort. New windows eliminate drafts and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Increased home value. Upgraded windows boost your home's resale value and curb appeal, making it more attractive to buyers. Better soundproofing. High-quality windows reduce outdoor noise, creating a quieter living environment. Low maintenance. Newer materials like vinyl and fiberglass require less upkeep than older wood or aluminum frames. Factors affecting window replacement costs. Understanding the factors that impact pricing can help you make informed decisions. Window type. Single-hung and double-hung windows are typically more affordable than specialty or custom designs like bay or casement windows. Material. Vinyl windows are often the most budget-friendly, offering excellent durability and energy efficiency. Fiberglass and wood frames, while more expensive, provide additional aesthetic or performance benefits. Glass features. Energy-efficient options like low-E coatings, double or triple panes, and gas fills increase upfront costs but deliver long-term savings on energy bills. Installation. Labor costs vary depending on the complexity of the job. Choosing standard-sized windows can reduce installation costs compared to custom sizes. Choosing affordable yet quality windows. Affordability doesn't have to mean compromising on quality. Here are some tips for finding the best value. Focus on energy efficiency. Look for ENERGY STAR certified windows, which meet strict standards for insulation and performance. Opt for vinyl frames. Vinyl is a cost-effective material that offers durability, low maintenance, and excellent energy efficiency. Stick to standard sizes. Custom-sized windows can drive up costs. Standard options are often more affordable and readily available. Prioritize essential features. While features like decorative grids or specialty glass may look appealing, they can add unnecessary costs. Focus on the essentials for a balance of performance and price. Finding the right supplier and installer in Kendall. Choosing the right window supplier and installer is crucial to ensuring affordability and quality. Here's how to find a reliable provider. Research local suppliers. Local businesses often understand Kendall's climate and building codes better than national chains, offering solutions tailored to your needs. Read reviews. Customer testimonials and online reviews provide valuable insight into the quality of products and services offered by suppliers. Request quotes. Obtain multiple estimates to compare prices and services. Be sure the quotes include materials, installation, and any additional fees. Ask about warranties. A solid warranty on both the windows and installation guarantees peace of mind. Timing your window replacement. Scheduling your window replacement at the right time can help you save money. Off-peak seasons, such as late fall or winter, often bring discounts and promotions. Additionally, staying ahead of necessary repairs can prevent further damage and avoid higher costs down the line. Financing options and rebates. If the upfront cost of window replacement feels overwhelming, explore financing options to spread the expense over time. Many Kendall window companies offer payment plans with low or no interest. Check for energy-efficient rebates or incentives offered by local utility companies or federal programs. These rebates can offset the cost of upgrading to energy-efficient windows, making them more affordable. DIY prep work to save on costs. To reduce installation fees, consider handling some of the prep work yourself. Tasks like removing window treatments, clearing furniture, or disposing of old windows can save time and money for the installers. Common signs it's time for window replacement. If you're unsure whether it's time to replace your windows, look out for these signs. Drafts or air leaks. Feeling drafts near windows is a sign of poor insulation. Rising energy bills. Inefficient windows force your HVAC system to work harder, increasing energy costs. Visible damage. Cracks, warping, or water damage reduce your window's functionality and curb appeal. Difficulty operating. Stuck or hard to open windows indicate wear and tear that may require replacement. Benefits of acting now. Delaying window replacement can lead to higher energy bills, reduced comfort, and even structural damage to your home. Acting now ensures you enjoy the benefits of energy efficiency, improved aesthetics, and a more secure home. Conclusion. Affordable window replacement in Kendall. Replacing your windows doesn't have to strain your budget. By understanding your needs, focusing on energy efficiency, and choosing a reliable local installer, you can find high-quality windows at an affordable price. Take advantage of rebates, financing options, and seasonal discounts to maximize your savings. Start your window replacement journey today to enhance your Kendall home's comfort, efficiency, and value for years to come.